Hello and thank you for joining us today. In this demo session, I'll be demonstrating the current proof of concept for the new Mediscribe app. The focus is on the optimized workflow with the new tech stack, showing how consultation audio is captured, converted into structured notes using Whisper AI, and stored within the patient record database. The system is now at least 10 times faster, as detailed in the attached progress report and benchmark results that we conducted, which also includes instructions on how to replicate the benchmark procedures. Please do note that the design is not finalized. This is just for demo purposes. Uh, this demo is focused purely on functionality and workflow optimization. So let's test it now. So this is the patient list. Again, don't mind the design yet. This is just for demo purposes. The more important one is the feature demonstration. So let's add a patient. Let's say Jane Doe 0101 2001. Okay. Okay, so no transcriptions yet. So let's record a transcription. Let me open my transcription script. Okay, let's try this one. Patient name, Jane Doe, age 32. Consultation date 2025-10-08. Physician, Dr. Carlos Lim. Chief complaint, left shoulder pain after minor fall last week. Exam, mild swelling, tenderness over acromyalgia clavicular joint. Full ROM but painful at extreme abduction. Assessment likely mild AC joint sprain. Let's try to upload it. Okay, so it's uploading to the server now, and also oh, after that it will analyze the audio and transcribe the audio into text. So here it is now. Let's view it. Okay, so let's play the original audio and see how well it was able to transcribe it. Patient name,
Patient name,
Jane Doe, age
Jane Doe,
32.
age 32,
Consultation date 2025-10-08.
2025-10-08.
Physician, Dr.
Physician,
Carlos
Dr.
Lim.
Kansi.
Chief
Okay.
complaint, left
Complaint,
shoulder
okay,
pain
shoulder pain,
after minor
after
fall
final
last week.
fall last week.
Exam, mild swelling,
Exam,
tenderness
and
over
over
acromyalgia clavicular joint.
acroyocular joint,
Full ROM but
program,
painful at
painful
extreme abduction.
extreme abduction.
Assessment likely mild
Assessment likely
AC
mild
joint
AC
sprain.
joint sprain.
Okay, so as you can see, now it only has two errors, and those errors are because because of my accent, and the other one is because I don't know how to read that highly medical term. So I think it's a lot better now compared to the original one. So the only thing left for the transcriber uh, to do is to do some minor like formatting and some uh, minor what do you call this adjustment to the error. So yeah, that's the status right now, and I hope you're as happy as we are right now, and we hope to hear from you your feedback regarding the progress. Thank you very much.